Son of a bitch! Give me a drink!
Welcome! Semi-live on the couch with today's BAM Box! Woo-wee! That's the thing about their theme this month for August is crazy. And that's just the best thing about crazies. They usually have the best laugh, don't they? So who knows what's going to be in here? So probably some Joker, Hannibal Lecter thing, Killing Joke. Who knows? It's crazy. It could be anything. Let's get this party started. Any knife. Away from the body. We shall get our pin. Woo! Ho ho! Okay. We have a 1-up card, which is blue. Sweet. Congratulations, you got a 1-up card. You have an upgrade or limited edition in yours, which is blue. Woo! Blue. I'm blue, da ba dee ba da da ba dee da ba da. Yeah, okay. 90 song. Oh, sweet! Instant winner too! Cha-ching, cha-ching! Your box is an instant winner! You have an extra autograph item inside. Check the insert to see what you won. Sweet! 2! Yay! There you go, you can win that. Cool. Oh, hey, something new. You got a 1-up key card. I'll just put that over there. So, our pin. I like this already. I'm not gonna show you yet, because it's a BAM Box. August themed is crazy. This BAM Box exclusive collector pin. It is Ace Ventura. Haha, that's funny. But it more looks like the Ace Ventura from the cartoon series instead of Jim Carrey's Ace Ventura. But still, Ace Ventura, Pet Detective, so hilarious. That is awesome. And if it's a limited edition, it's numbered on the back. I wonder if this one's numbered. Nope, just regular, not limited edition. Just regular, kick-ass. That's awesome. Oh, that's so good to look good on my wall. That is awesome. Hands down, kicking butt already. Text you later. And we open it up. Oh, we get paper. One suggestion, maybe to BAM Box. You should have your own BAM Box paper. Just saying. Maybe. Let's take a peek. Woo-wee. What we got here? We have our Hannibal Lecter mask. Hello, Clarice. Yeah, that's kind of cool. I can open it. Oh wait, there's a knife. Aha! Knife comes in handy to open other things. Sweet. Good Halloween costume, right there. That could probably look good also if you had that Jason mask. Like a couple of boxes ago for a BAM Box. That's pretty cool. I like that. Oh. Then we have what's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? It's your new game show, Fragile. Ooh, should be fragile. Here we go. We're going to open it. Oh man, it's a Barbie head. It's a cut up Barbie head. I wonder if I'm supposed to know who the Barbie is. That's kind of creepy. They did say that these boxes aren't for children, and there was a parental guidance in effect for this box. So, I wonder if it's for that. Mommy, little Barbie head. What's in the box? And then we have some sort of Deadpool looking thing. And we got this. Once you pop, you just can't stop. We have Deadpool, female Deadpool looking art print. Ooh. Not the reflective version. There you go. That's kind of cool. It's in this protective case. So it's a BAM. You now own a one-of-a-kind hand-painted sketch card by professional sketch card artist Bianca Thompson. And she has signed with Bianca. Authentic, painted, and signed by the artist. That must have been my either instant winner or one-up card. So that is pretty snazzy, man. That's one of one. That's nobody has this. Woo! That's cool. It's going to look great next to my other Deadpools. Sweet. Woo! We have our Killing Joke. This is original movie Killing Joke. Motion picture soundtrack. Band exclusive. Bandbox exclusive release. On vinyl. Oh man, I gotta get that to left. 1 second. There we go. Let's try that. Nope. Didn't work. There we go. Killing Joke. Vinyl. I did go see it in theaters with that Fathom Events thing. That was pretty cool. Mark Hamill. Oh, crap. That's pretty cool. Sweet. I should probably play that. During the night of Halloween. We have our... Ooh, that's right. We have a Bandbox certificate of authenticity. What is it? What? Oh, sweet! A Harley Quinn. Maybe plus size, maybe not. But pin-up. Yes! I'm loving the DC bombshells pin-up things. I'm just a fan of those things. This is awesome. September of 1992. The classic original version of Harley Quinn. 743 out of 999 by Nathan Nato or I don't know, Sadie. That's awesome. That's going to look great next to my other Harley Quinn art. Up there. Sweet! That's awesome. Hi, Mr. J! And then I think we got something else. It is another... Bam! Woo! Katana! From the movie... Katana from the Suicide Squad movie. Bandbox. Certificate of authenticity. Also right there in the corner. Signed by the hero. Or by her. Right down there. I think. I don't know. Man, I gotta get this thing. There we go. Right there. Sweet. Yeah, they were saying something about that. That there was 2 Suicide Squad members that were going to have a signing. That's awesome. I got her. Because my other idea was that I was going to be the Boomerang guy. This one's awesomer. Yeah. Females kick ass. Sweet. Oh, this is a great box. It's crazy. Oh, Deadpool is crazy. And that is freaking awesome. Let's go for a recap now. Recap! We have our Bandbox. Let's go. Wait. There's that picture. There's that picture. Bam. Damn sweet, man. Thank you, Bandbox, for all this wonderful goodies. I love this so much. Your next month is Strange. Beetlejuice should be good. I hope it's, and also the Willy Wonka. Hope it's with Richard Gere. the 1970s one, or the original one. So hopefully it was that one. But I love this month, and I hopefully love next month. So thank you, Ben Box. Mwah! In case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.